Python. Introduction. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its clear and readable syntax. This tutorial will cover the fundamental aspects of Python syntax, giving you a solid foundation for writing and understanding Python code. We'll explore variables, data types, operators, control structures, functions, and more. 1. Variables and data types. Variables. In Python, variables are used to store data. They are created by assigning a value to a name using the equals operator. Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to declare the data type of a variable explicitly. Data types. Python supports several built-in data types. Numbers includes integers, int, floating point numbers, float, and complex numbers, complex. Strings, used to represent text. Strings are enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. Booleans represents true or false values. Lists, ordered, mutable collections of items enclosed in square brackets. Tuples, ordered, immutable collections of items enclosed in parentheses. Dictionaries, unordered collections of key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Sets, unordered collections of unique items also enclosed in curly braces. 2 operators. Arithmetic operators, used for mathematical operations. These include plus addition, nanis, subtraction, sta, multiplication, division, cent, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Comparison operators used to compare values. These include equal to, equals, not equal to, greater than, less than, and equals, greater than or equal to, and is equals, less than or equal to. Logical operators used to perform logical operations. These include and, or, and not. Assignment operators used to assign values to variables. These include equals, equals, and more. Bitwise operators, used for bit-level operations. These include and, or, left shift, and right shift. 3 control structures, conditional statements, used to execute code based on certain conditions. Python uses if, elif, and else for conditional execution. Loops, used to repeat code multiple times. For loop, iterates over a sequence, like a list or range. While loop, repeats as long as a condition is true. Loop control statements. Break, exits the loop. Continue, skips to the next iteration, and pass, does nothing. 4 functions. Defining functions. Functions are defined using the def keyword. Functions can take parameters and return values. Calling functions. Functions are called by using their name followed by parentheses, passing any required arguments. Lambda functions. Anonymous functions created using the lambda keyword for simple operations. 5. Error handling. Exceptions. Errors during execution are managed using try, except, finally, and raise. Try contains code that might raise an exception, except handles the exception, and finally is used for cleanup actions. 6. Classes and objects. Classes, defined using the class keyword. Classes are blueprints for creating objects. Objects, instances of classes that hold data and methods. Methods, functions defined within a class that operate on objects. Inheritance, allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. 7. File handling. Opening files. Files are opened using the open function, with modes like R, read, W, write, and A, append.